100 days, 100 race cars. The McLaren MP4 5, built in 1989. Team and key drivers, built by McLaren. Key drivers include Ayrton Senna, Alain Prost. Notable race wins: 1989 World Championship, Prost, Suzuka collision controversy. Why it's important: the Senna-Prost war reached boiling point. Suzuka 1989 collision and disqualification remain bitterly contested. Interesting features: Honda V10 switch from turbo era, Gordon Murray, Neil Oatley design. Follow OddSpec for more forgotten motorsport history.